Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Forza Horizon 6 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Forza Horizon 6 game on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to enable or disable the subtitles within your gameplay, simply press the start button to pause your game, and now you can go into the settings menu. Now, inside the settings menu, go ahead and click on accessibility. And now inside the accessibility option, you can find the subtitle menu at the very beginning. Just press the left or right button to toggle it on or off based on your desire. You also have the subtitle text size option, which you can increase or decrease as well. You can also set the background opacity for your subtitles, and there is also the option to highlight the keywords. After choosing your desired option, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. Now you can continue to play with your chosen subtitle settings. And if you wish to change it once again in the future, you can follow the same steps. Press the start button to pause your game, go into settings, accessibility, and now you can once again change your subtitle options. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles within the Forza Horizon 6 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.